And this, I swear, I commented on this video because I knew Auto Glory was coming through with the banger.
You know how it is when you.
And this shit sounds so good. I love that. This is my favorite noise.
One of the best sounding cars I know.
Exactly. Wow. Oh my god.
Alright, what's up guys, and welcome back to the channel.
And it's so clean.
So for tonight's matchup, I'm back here with the 2019 BMW M4. Now, the last time you guys saw this car on the channel, he ran up against a Tesla Model S Plaid.
That's very quick and top end strong. Like, you thought the Tesla was gonna win, but who did? Cause that Ford, that shit kicks in. That shit seemed like it can go to 250.
Mustang GT.
Oh yeah, he ran the GT. Oh yeah, I did. I seen that. That was a great one. That was a great one. He pulled still top end.
Now just a little recap of what's done to this car. This is a fully built 3.0 engine with a single turbo kit. It's a
fully built
1569S turbo. I don't have the specs on it, but this car is set up by Boost by Gear, ranging from upper 700s all the way to about 1100 wheel horsepower.
Yep.
E85 and meth injection. Now this car is a full weight car running on Mickey Thompson ET Street Art tires.
That's what might slow it down, the weight with this Corvette.
A 2009 C6 Z06. For those who've been following this channel for a while,
Such beautiful.
know how fast this car is. This is an NA monster. So he has a heads and cam package, full bolt-ons, intake manifold, throttle body, and a full exhaust system running on E85. He does not have any nitrous, and he has a lot of weight reduction. He currently is under 2,900 pounds.
Damn.
And he's equipped with the H-pattern dog box transmission, and he's also running on a Mickey Thompson ET Street Art tire as well.
Oh yeah, that's why he's so
now he's
fucking
somewhere in
fast.
700 horsepower range. I don't have the exact numbers. So it should be a good race.
Hell yeah.
Now these guys are going to do a 60 to 160, and both of these guys are going to be driving solo.
Okay, solo race.
So let's see how it goes.
Damn, this just sounds so good. Damn. I can't wait to get a cam C6 or BMW driver coming for sure. Let's see. See how this goes. I'm gonna take the C's. I knew it. That's why I took him. Oh my god. How is his torque that instant? Like, oh shit. But that BMW, I swear, I think he can go to like 220 easily. Cause the way he can, once he hits 130, 40, 50, he just, look. Like this torque on this fucking C6, it's like, wow. But look, this is one I would like. I tell you, if they would have went to 180, bro. If they would have went to 180, that Ford would have. That should have, the turbo lag. I think it definitely got some type of turbo lag. Let's see.
Alright, Super Turbo M3, 40 miles to 85.
This is a good one. Wow. Here we go.
LS3 cam with 200 shot. Headers.
Same one. Damn, I don't think anybody's gonna beat him. The way he has instant torque. Unless the 3 doesn't spool as well. Yeah, there you go. So they did a higher roll. So this is why the 3 won. I can see why. If they did probably like a 40, he would have probably lost. God, that 3 took. Oh my god. Shit. What the fuck? Damn. I know them niggas like, what the fuck? Bro. The Z06. Oh my god. SS did have torque, but alright, there we go. Okay, the Z01 does as it should. I was about to say, shit, if the SS would have won. Alright, let's see. Alright, they both manual too. Damn, this SS is torquey. But that's when the boost kicks in and takes over. I mean, that's what it should be doing. It was close. The way they just lined up.